I'll not mention my religion.
Yes. Is it waivable? Or you'll have to say that it's waivable.
In that sense, it is a private right.
It's a private right.
Yes. Sharia law permits only 50% bequest to a daughter.
Half will be inherited by the daughter. The other half
she's also worried about inheritance to her.
Yes, because her father is.
Yes, Manoj, that's the reason.
Under the Muslim law, again, is not entitled to make a will for the entire property. That's also restricted.
Yes.
Only half will be inherited by the daughter. The other half
she's also worried about inheritance to her.
Yes, because her father is.
Yes, Manoj, that's the reason.
There, even in the Hindu Succession Act, if I'm not mistaken, if you convert, you lose your right of inheritance under the normal law.
I appear for the union, Manoj. This is an interesting question. But the petitioner lady is born Muslim. She does not believe in Sharia. According to her, it's a regressive law. Whether she can,
I've seen the people.
Whether she can, we will have to take a call, Manoj. This would be.
Mr. Mehta, this will apply across the faith.
No, correct, Manoj. It should apply, Manoj. Why? That's my personal view, but I'll take instructions.
It's a no caste status.
Yes, Manoj. She in fact possibly runs some NGO, Manoj, of similarly situated belief.
You'll have to find a counter.
I will have to, Manoj, because that would be a considered view of the central government for your lordship's consideration.
And it may have in various things, it may then your forms, etc. If you pass an order, several forms where you're required to mention all these details may have to be then.
Correct.
Which permits you to not say that I'm not giving these details out.
Correct. I'll not mention my religion.
Yes. Is it waivable? Or you'll have to say that it's waivable.
In that sense, it is a private right.
It's a private right.
Yes. Because interestingly, she has one daughter. She wants to bequeath the entire property to her daughter. But Sharia law permits only 50% bequest to a daughter.
And she may not like to 50 or 1/3.
I beg your lordship's pardon.
My lord, she has got a brother who is autistic and a daughter.
So, Prashant, is it 50% or 1/3?
Initially, she will inherit only 1/3 from her father. And when she dies, again, out of that 1/3, only half will be inherited by the daughter. The other half
she's also worried about inheritance to her.
Yes, because her father is.
Yes, Manoj, that's the reason.
Brother is autistic. Therefore, she has to take care of him.
And she wants the benefit of Indian Succession Act, the secular law. That's the prayer.
No, but as far as father is concerned, the father under the Muslim law again is not entitled to make a will for the entire property. That's also restricted.
Yes, ma'am.
That's also restricted.
Correct, your lordships are right.
And under the Hindu Succession Act also, if I'm not mistaken, if you convert, your inheritance rights are taken away.
Yes.
Your inheritance rights are taken away.
But by way of will, one can do whatever one wants to do. Not irrespective
that's correct. That's correct.
Irrespective of section 14 and 15 of the Hindu Succession Act.
But then the issue also will be with regard to the joint Hindu family property. Or in case of there is no will, interstate succession, then it will be taken away. That will be one of the consequences.
Yes,
because
then it would
one faith, it apply to all faiths.
Correct. Then it would follow section 14 and 15 of Hindu Succession Act. The class 1 heirs, class 2 heirs, agnates, cognates.
No, there is a problem there. Even in the Hindu Succession Act, if I'm not mistaken, if you convert, you lose your right of inheritance under the normal law.
Yes.
Act doesn't apply.
Created a Special Marriage Act. But in Special Marriage Act also, I think there is some restriction as well. Also, inheritance is concerned.
My lord, inheritance subject to verification, I don't think, my lord, there is any restriction. Subject to verification.
Not in the Special Marriage Act, but in the Hindu Marriage Act, there is a restriction.
Yes, Hindu Marriage Act there is.
You file your count.
Kindly give me 3 weeks, my lord. We'll have to place a considered.
Permit, pray for and granted 4 weeks time to file after that. You join the written leave and 4 weeks after service of court after that. Relist is the week commencing 5th of May 2025.
Deeply obliged.
Grateful.